What's one tool or technique that you can use right now to help you transform your life? Did you know just by being grateful, by just saying it out loud with feelings, I'm so thankful and grateful, is enough to create a big shift sa buhay mo? Did you know I discovered this last 2019? I attended a 2-day seminar, and then during that 2 days, the coach asked us to write down all the things that I was grateful and thankful for, as well as all the successes that I had in my life. That was the first time that I encountered that kind of exercise. And before that kasi, sobrang reklamador ako, sobrang nagko-complain, bakit wala pa yung income na gusto ko. I gave a lot of excuses during that time. And while I was writing all the things that I was thankful and grateful for, it made me realize that I was already so blessed. Sobrang blessed ko na pala. It helped me open my mind, and it also opened my eyes that all the while here I was complaining, in reality, I was already so blessed. How can you appreciate the big blessings of the Lord if sa mga maliliit nga na blessings, you don't know how to say thank you? So what happened when I did the process, when I did that exercise, I made it into a habit. I started saying it out loud. I'm so thankful and grateful. So every time I would wake up, I would say, I'm so thankful and grateful. When I would drive, I'm so thankful and grateful. Even if I'm stuck in traffic, I'm still so thankful and grateful. And what happened after a while, it helped me change my focus. Instead of looking at life as a life full of problems, I started looking at life as life full of blessings. Imagine, sa isang araw pala, ang daming blessings na nangyayari sa buhay ko. So if you're stuck right now in your life, if you feel that you don't know how to move forward in your life, try this exercise out. Start saying, I'm so thankful and grateful. I'm so thankful and grateful for this wonderful day. I'm so thankful and grateful for my family. I'm so thankful and grateful for my career. And what you do is when you say it out loud, you need to also say it with feelings. Dapat feel na feel mo kasi yung unconscious mind mo, nakikinig yung unconscious mind mo. And your unconscious mind would react to emotions. So if your unconscious mind would react to positive emotions because you would always feel so grateful and thankful, therefore, your unconscious mind will help you find all those things that you are thankful and grateful for in your life. So imagine sa isang araw, let's say you have 20 things that you are thankful and grateful for. So what kind of day is that? Diba? Mas maganda yung araw mo. So if you're not doing this exercise right now, start with this one. If you're getting results after, let's say, 2 weeks or 1 month, message me, let me know how this exercise has helped you in your life. Because if it worked for me, I believe that it will also work for you. So again, how do you do it? Start with saying it out loud. I'm so thankful and grateful, and say it with feelings. Because after a while, it will help you change your focus to focus more on the blessings rather than the problems.